Tecno Camon 30 Pro 5G and the Infinix Note 40 Pro are currently the coolest video devices you can get in the market right now. I mean, if your budget falls between their price range, you'll be interested to know which is better, right? So in this video, we're comparing both devices to see which is best in overall performance and also which is the best value for money. So if you're interested, please give the video a thumbs up and let's dive on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Lord here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we will categorize this comparison in 5 sections, which are design and build quality, display, performance, camera and other features. So first off, let's compare both devices in terms of design and build quality. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro and the Infinix Note 40 Pro are pretty good when it comes to design. Though the Tecno Camon 30 Pro design really do catch up my attention at first glance, it is really pretty compared to the Infinix Note 40 Pro design, to be honest. But hey, smartphone designs are subjective though, I'm just saying my thoughts. So when it comes to the build quality, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro is made of a plastic on the rear and on the frame, while on the Infinix Note 40 Pro, it has a plastic back. Both devices equip triple camera sensors and an LED flash for brighter shots, which we will later talk about on the camera section. In terms of display, both devices are really good. The Infinix Note 40 Pro sports a Core 6.78-inch AMOLED panel, 120Hz high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels. On the other hand, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro comes with 6.78-inch AMOLED panel, a refresh rate of 144Hz with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels. So watching your favorite shows or viewing content on both devices are pretty good. Plus I'm getting a Corning Gorilla Glass screen protector on the Infinix Note 40 Pro, while on the Tecno Camon 30 Pro there is no screen protector. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro comes with an IP53 rating for dust and splash resistant, but that doesn't mean you should deliberately pour water on this device to check if it is true. You are on your own. Speaking of performance, both devices are really solid, with the Tecno Camon 30 Pro powering the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, which is pretty solid for gaming and multitasking. On the other hand, we have the Helio G99 Ultimate chipset powering the Infinix Note 40 Pro. With the 120Hz high refresh rate alongside the 8GB of RAM, you are likely to experience smoother performance while gaming, scrolling to apps, or doing any regular stuff with the device. The 144Hz refresh rate on the Tecno Camon 30 Pro is the highest refresh rate I have seen on a Tecno device, to be honest, and it is really good. Furthermore, this device comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage to store all your files. On the camera aspects of both devices, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro and the Infinix Note 40 Pro comes with triple camera sensors with different setup style on the rear. Bear in mind that the Infinix Note 40 Pro has a higher megapixel than the Tecno Camon 30 Pro, but that doesn't mean that the device can outperform the Tecno Camon 30 Pro when it comes to camera quality. You know, camera devices are specifically based on cameras, right? So the Tecno Camon 30 Pro features a Sony IMX890 lens, 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. While on the front, it has a point-and-shoot selfie camera of 50 megapixel. The device can shoot on 4K resolution at 60 fps from both the front and rear cameras. On the other hand, we have a 108 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro lens, and 2 megapixel depth sensor on the Infinix Note 40 Pro. On the front, it rocks a selfie camera of 32 megapixel and it can shoot video on a max resolution of 2K resolution at 30 fps. Now, here it brings us to the final section, which is the other features of both devices. So the Tecno Camon 30 Pro houses a decent battery capacity of 5000 mAh that supports 70 watts fast charging, while the Infinix Note 40 Pro comes with 5000 mAh that supports 45 watts fast charge. It also supports a fast wireless charge of 20 watts and also a reverse wireless charging. This means that you can charge on the device wirelessly and also power other devices that support the reverse wireless charging feature. Both the Tecno Camon 30 Pro and the Infinix Note 40 Pro adapts an optical under-display fingerprint sensor for security purpose. The coolest feature we did expect to see on both devices is the IR blaster. although people barely use that feature. So basically, with the IR blaster feature, you can control any of your home appliances that have the infrared receiver, be it your TV, your AC, your electrical fan, etc. On the rear of the Infinix Note 40 Pro, we have what Infinix called the active halo light, and this activates when you get a notification on the phone or when you're trying to activate the virtual assistant. And yeah, you can actually customize it to your preference. On the other hand, we have this red dot light alongside the rear cameras of the Tecno Camon 30 Pro 5G. And what this does is to show up whenever you get notifications on the smartphone or when you turn on the camera of the smartphone. And that's pretty cool. Also, this device has a cool feature called wet hand technology. And what this does is to allow you to operate the device even if water splashes on it. Both the Tecno Camon 30 Pro and the Infinix Note 40 Pro runs on the latest OS version out for that bus. With the Tecno Camon 30 Pro being based on HiOS 14 and the Infinix Note 40 Pro being based on SOS 14, and they're all going to get 2 years of software updates and security updates, which means that if the Android 15 and 16 is out, you can actually upgrade to that. To purchase the Tecno Camon 30 Pro will cost you 538,000 Naira or $400. On the other hand, it's going to cost you 396,000 Naira or $200 to purchase the Infinix Note 40 Pro. So the best value for money here is the Infinix Note 40 Pro, and that is because of its price. Why the best in overall performance is the Tecno Camon 30 Pro 5G. It is just obvious. Yeah, so here comes the end of my comparison video between the Tecno Camon 30 Pro 5G and the Infinix Note 40 Pro. Just let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all on my next video. Peace. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.